Hi friends, welcome to Express Feeling. Thank you for watching this video. If you have seen my previous videos and have not yet subscribed to my channel, then hit the red color subscribe button below this video. In this way, you can get regular notification whenever we publish any new videos. So let's begin. Express your feelings with Express Feel. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share this video. If you have any question, comments or concerns regarding this video, use the comment section. Similar video links are provided by us in the description below. You can see more interesting videos in our channel. For new videos, subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day.